Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple audios or sounds to Instagram Reels. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create an Instagram Reel. I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to select Reel. I'm going to select Reel, and for example I'm just going to add some photos from my gallery. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next, right? And you can skip this tab if you don't want to sync your clips to any track from the Instagram, and I'm just going to skip that guys. Okay, then we can click on edit video. Okay, and here you can add your first audio to your Instagram reel. You can tap to add audio. Okay, then you can choose the audio you want to add to your Instagram reel. You can add these adjusted audios right here, or you can go to the trending to see the trending music right now, or you can go to your saved music on the Instagram. And I'm just going to select ending, and then I'm going to add the first song from this list. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, we can click on this arrow to add it to our Instagram reel. Then here you can choose the part of the song you want to add. Okay, then click on done after you're choosing the part. And then if you want to add a second audio or the second music to your Instagram reel, you can click on add audio. And then for the second music, I'm just going to select random song. I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and wait. Okay, then I'm going to click on done. Okay, and as you can see guys, that now there are two songs on my Instagram reels. Okay, and then once you're ready to post your Instagram reel, you can click on this option, and then you can click on share, and the Instagram reel will be shared to your account with two audios or two musics. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add multiple sounds to Instagram reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.